Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So do you want to buy crypto using credit or debit card on crypto.com, or do you want to add your credit or debit card to crypto.com? This is how you can basically do it. First of all, you will have to open your crypto.com mobile application and make sure that you are signed in and your account is also verified. If your crypto.com account is showing you verified, it simply means that your account is verified. But if it is showing you a pop-up on the home page that you need to verify your account, you will have to make sure that you verify it, because only then you will be able to buy your crypto from crypto.com. Now once this step is done, you need to tap on the trade option in the bottom and then tap on buy. After that, you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can basically buy and sell at crypto.com. So you need to select that cryptocurrency which you want to buy. For example, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, so you need to simply tap on the cryptocurrency and wait for some time until it shows you a pop-up in the bottom. In the bottom of it, you will be able to basically going to see this type of section where you need to enter the amount of BTC that you want to buy, and it will show you the equivalent amount of USD that you need to spend. Now by default it will be Google Pay, but since you want to add credit or debit card, tap on the add payment method option and select credit/debit card. Now remember that for credit and debit card option, you need to pay some money. So here, once you are on this page, you need to simply enter your credit card number, then its information like the expiration date, CVV, your first name, your last name. It should be the same as it is on your card. Once you have entered your debit or credit card details, you will have to tap on the add card option, and you will see a 0.10 USD fees, so you need to pay it. Your bank may also going to ask for the OTP or the verification, so you need to complete that to link your card successfully to crypto.com. Once it is linked successfully, you can just select that card at the checkout and complete your purchase instantly. Now there are some banks that block crypto transactions, so if it fails, you can try another card, or you can even contact to your bank account. So if this video helped you out, drop a super thanks and subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Thanks for watching.